this kind of morning here in the Camp Forest. Hi everyone and welcome to the Camp Forest. Okay. And my baby is sleeping. Let's see if makuha ng moon. Okay. And the ugly one, the Chef Bob, preparing our steak. And this is my pretty Scarlett. Where are you gonna be? You are in the
I'm in 99 in the forest.
very good.
And this Natty was teaching me for no reason.
And that is walk.
Because he smells something good.
Yeah.
That's why they're here. Like your blood. Oh, joke.
Scarlett,
My blood.
for you to have a steak. And sa may kill.
So amazing.
Wolf.
Wolf? Okay, let's kill that one.
But I don't have my spear. And I
Oh.
don't have my sideboard.
Okay.
I have my armor, but I don't have my sideboard. So.
Nasa John.
Get the iPad. Stop eating.
Mayroon ko. Nag-driver.
This is my app.
iPad ba?
Okay. Steak made by
Chef
Bobby.
Murag ka
Bobby.
ng duol-duol na siya sa akasya steak.
Knife. Knife may
Alang, do not na, just bite the meat.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Careful, laknak.
Look. Musa gi kumana.
Lumusurahan.
Basta lang basura na yan.
No.
Para gurang basurahan na to dito.
Nadi ka.
Our chef is busy slicing our steak. And my Scarlett is B. Where are you now?
In the forest.
In the
Mine.
the forest.
Like a wolf.
That is a wolf. Okay. Check.
Cannot eat you.
Hey, no.
I think you need armor.
I don't have armor here.
Your armor. Mommy.
Okay, that's a city view. Wait, knock.
What?
City view.
Mommy, get the armor.
Can you do a check sa dog there? And there's another campers here. And the bonfire is there.
Mommy, stop viewing, bro.
What?
This is more important if you get up the wood, or else I'm gonna eat you, wolf.
Hey.
Why daddy took so long to get the iPad?
So, morning ang view. Morning. Hi, Scarlett. Good morning. A cold morning.
Mommy, we only feed the 2 kids, and we feed 4 kids. We only feed Dino and Cratchit. At the food.
Okay. Apo dyan siya dito sa kinaubsan. O pwede pa dahil siya. So,
Maubos naman kabot gamay.
and specifically,
Action.